Welcome to the knowledge series. Here, under easy way to basics of LaTeX, today you are going to learn on letter writing. This is the book reference. Letter writing is a letter document class that is meant for writing a letters, and there are certain standards that is being followed for the letter writings. As you are well aware about my earlier video series where I have discussed about the minimal commands that the LaTeX need to execute. Based on that, here you can see begin letter and with a curly brace recipient and end with end letters. So within this limited commands we will be using for writing, and we will be using for executions of the creation of letters. As you can see, the document class is letter. So this is the first command. Of course, you are well aware about it. First command document class, and then we start with the begin document and end document. And within this internal structures, we are having a begin letters and end letters. So we write the opening saluations, and thereby we will be trying to create what are the contained inside that one. And just below the document class we specify the address and signatures, and all these commands starting with backslash, that you are well aware about it. Now as you can see over here, the example is a backslash address, and here is being specified the address with respect to when you give a double backslash, automatically it specifies the next lines. So you are specifying the backslash address from this words till the last words, that is starting from Mrs. K.S. Omnyakuti to the house address Kulirma, Kandalore South, Kayangalam, district Alappuzha, Kerala, and ending with India. So this is the address, and here is the content that you specify over here. Further, and if you want to specify the name with the signature, that you can specify here. So here is a name here, and on the bottom side you can specify the with respect to the blank space and a signature sections. You can see here an example with respect to a very simple format of a letters. So here is the address, you can see here with the date. Here is to whom it is being addressed, and this is the saluations commands which is being specified here, and finally the who is going to write this letter, it followed by there is another, if you want to add any CC or anything, you can specify here. So this is a simple structures that is being specified with respect to a letter writing. To execute these letter writings, let's see this command. So here you can see the document class letter, signature of your name and address. So, and then you start with begin document, and you are specifying the begin letter, and followed by you are specifying the company name, street, city, and country. Then you give a opening, dear sir and madam. Then you specify some contents, and then you close by yours faithfully, and finally here your PS and enclosures is specified, end letter because you started with the begin letters, and finally end documents because you started with begin document. If you see here, it is the same thing what you are specifying here. Here is a dot about these things, and followed by you specify yours faithfully. So whatever is being specified here, that is what you are going to see in the content. So these entire structures of the letter writing command is a very simple structures. As you are being oftenly carried out using a Microsoft Words, or by a simple manual way of handwriting, or by typing. But this time you can try with LaTeX way of writing a letter, and try to experience the appearance of the letter. That will be very pleasing. So with this few commands, let me conclude here with respect to the letter writing. Thank you.